will show you in this video how to submit a support ticket directly on RealtyMX if you have issues with your listing on any third-party website such as Zillow, Trulia, StreetEasy. You simply go to log into RealtyMX, go to My Stuff, My Listings. Make sure you select status only all active listings, hit search. Your active listings will come up. You can click to edit the listing, or if you simply want to report an error, click on the listing. You can simply report the problem here. You can copy people. You can copy the RealtyMX support team. Usually it's a wise move. You can also copy, for example, specific vendors if you have issues with them. You can copy certain other broker databases if you notice, for example, that your listing is appearing strangely in a specific other broker database. So you can do this. And then what you simply do is write in a note. Hi, this listing is not showing up on Zillow. Remember to be polite. Once you hit email, this will go to everyone you have checked. So the support teams at Zillow, Trulia, RealtyMX, which is the company that supports the software we're using to syndicate listings, as well as any listing agents you have CC'd. Hit email, and this will actually show you the exact email addresses your support message was sent to. So if you're ever curious about the contact emails for any third-party websites such as Trulia or Zillow, you can actually find it through this way. You can email them directly in the future if you wish, but this is certainly a very straightforward way of doing it. And that's it. If you've enjoyed this video tutorial, please remember to subscribe and like. Feel free to add any other questions you might have in the comment section below, and we'll get back to you right away. And of course, if you are a real estate agent in New York looking for a sponsoring broker, or simply a place that offers high commission splits starting at 75% all the way to 100% to you for your independently sourced and executed deals, along with best-in-class training, tools, technology, and of course, company source transactions. If you're interested, please shoot us a line. We would love to hear from you. Thank you so much.